Sorry.
You think it's fingerless tight now?
It's untight.
Yeah? Okay.
Oh, no, it's not.
Yeah, so pull all 4 of those bowl screws out, and then we can get in there and clean out all the jets and stuff.
What's the jets?
The jets are these little guys here.
Oh.
See that brass piece? They get plugged up because of bad gas.
I think it froze out.
Yeah. Let me know when you got all 4 out, okay?
Okay.
All 4 are out?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, and you're keeping them nice and organized. Good job. All right, pull the bowl off.
Pull off?
Yep, use 2 hands. Grab the body of the carb with one hand and pull the bowl off with the other. You got her. Set that bowl up by the screws. What do we got? Oh, there's a little bit of gunk in there. You see it over in that side?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll have to clean it out. I'll use a brake cleaner on that, but...
Can I do the brake cleaner?
No, it's nasty stuff. You don't want to play with brake cleaner.
Can I wipe it?
Yeah, you can wipe it. Alright, I'll get you a wipe.
Oh,
No, no, that's left. Go right. Yeah, you got her. Getting tight. Alright, just snug her up. Now, that in that seat is where the needle and the retainer go. And that'll hold that in, and then we can put it back on with the this guy that pushes the floats. Okay?
okay. But that was tight.
That's really
Really tight.
Yeah. Alright, hit the next couple. We're almost back together.
Got that really, really tight.
Yeah. Missing a screw here.
Did it fall out?
Yeah.
Are you doing a video of me?
Yes, I am.
I always do videos of me.
Yes, I do.
Whoa! Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome. Careful not to hold it on an angle. You want to be straight on with the screw or you can strip it.
There.
And you got one more on the other side. There you go. You did 2 carb rebuilds. Now we'll just stick them on the sled, see if it fires up. Woohoo!